Autonomous drones have the potential to cut the cost, reduce the risk, and increase the productivity of power line inspection. By using a Model Predictive Controller with perception awareness, we present here a system for power line inspection with quadrotors. We use an onboard RGB camera and a depth camera to detect the power lines and the obstacles, such as the power mast. We generated 9 different simulation environments, such as a forest, an industrial plant, a city, and others, to train a learning-based power line detector and tracker. Our detector is able to generalize to real-world power line images without any fine-tuning. Here we show in multiple experiments that our system is capable to track the power lines and at the same time avoid obstacles